There are 114 surahs in the Qur'an. If Al-Baqarah builds the system of a Muslim civilization, Al-Imran builds the inner architecture of faith. Because civilizations collapse when hearts collapse first. 1. Foundation of Truth. The surah opens with Alif Lam Mim. Allah the ever-living, the sustainer. Everything in the universe ages and decays. Stars burn out. Cells die. Civilizations crumble. Entropy increases. Nothing lasts forever. Yet, the Quran introduces a being beyond decay, the one who is self-sustaining, eternal. Modern cosmology tells us the universe had a beginning. Everything that begins depends on something beyond itself. Faith starts with acknowledging this anchor, a truth that endures while all else fades. Kedua, doubt, debate, and the mind. The surah warns against arguments driven not by truth, but by ego. Some twist revelation to dominate, not understand. Verses are categorized: mukamot, clear guidance; mutashabiyat, ambiguous, requiring humility. The danger is using ambiguity to confuse, not to reflect. Today, information overload and algorithm-driven echo chambers amplify this. Faith requires humility, not cleverness; sincerity, not pride. Katiga, Maryam as integrity in isolation. Maryam represents moral purity in a corrupt society. She faced suspicion, isolation, and character attacks, yet Allah defended her directly. The lesson is profound. Moral integrity may isolate you, but divine support is unseen, not absent. 4. Battle of Uhud. Learning from defeat after victory at Badr. Muslims tasted defeat at Uhud. A small group disobeyed orders, and the consequences were severe. This is organizational psychology in action. Success requires unity, discipline, and obedience. Short-term desire cannot override long-term strategy. The Quran does not glorify victory only. It analyzes failure. Controlled adversity is a teacher. Defeat is training, not identity. Modern resilience studies confirm this. Growth comes after challenge, not comfort. 5. Reflection and the cosmos. The surah ends by directing attention to creation, the heavens and the earth. Observation is a pathway to faith. Astrophysics shows the universe is fine-tuned, constants calibrated precisely for life. Reflection is not blind belief. It is contemplative thinking that fosters humility, awe, and gratitude. True intelligence ends in recognition of the Creator. Core lessons. Unity is strength. Discipline preserves victory. Arrogance destroys blessings. Doubt without humility corrupts intellect. Defeat teaches. It does not define. Reflection strengthens faith. When arguments rise, when faith is tested, when loss shakes confidence, hold firmly to the rope of Allah. Do not divide. Belief is endurance. This surah is not just recited, it is lived. It is a shield for the believer's heart.